Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Shana here and welcome to Kitchen Chronicles. So today we are making, I don't know what it's called, but like you guys are gonna see what it is at the end. But yeah, now let's just put the ingredients onto the table. So we have everything we need, I think. Also, this will call for like, I don't know if I'm going to make it. So I'm just trying to like get even slices. I'm thinking of cutting it in half. So I think it's gonna be too small. I feel like the piece is gonna be too small. But no, it's fine. And I'll just do spice things up. And the cold thinking of putting this water just to defrost it a bit. So while that is defrosting, we can cut the onion. So that's what we're going to do. I think that's about it. That's the only thing that needs cutting. So let's go back to our chicken. Okay, so we're gonna add raja. This is medium curry. We're gonna add hot curry, still raja, just to spice things up a bit. Yeah, I think that's enough. I don't want it to be too cheap. And then we're gonna add Portuguese steak seasoning. This is my favorite spot. No, my favorite is Portuguese chicken. Yeah, that's my favorite. But we're gonna work with this one. The spice is already. Actually, the spice has its own salt. Now we're just gonna fry it. Gonna add a drop of oil. Okay, just a drop, like just a drop. So we're just gonna add the chicken inside the pan. So while that is frying, let us work on the flour. So we're gonna add 2 eggs. Now let's make it 3 eggs. And then we're just gonna mix them together. Flour, not a lot, just a little bit of flour. I think I made a mistake actually. I wasn't supposed to add the flour directly into the eggs, but we can still work with that. Just a little bit of baking powder, not a lot. I think I'm gonna add milk. I'm just gonna add a bit of milk and more flour. Let me check on my chicken. It's kind of golden brown now. This tastes amazing. And it tastes like chicken nuggets. So now we're gonna add our garlic. Add our onions. This is green chili. We're also gonna add some mixed veggies. Just a little bit. Okay, so now we're just gonna add our, I forgot to add the marinade, just a little bit though. Then we're gonna add it into the flour and add the mixture. I don't know if I should add salt, just a little bit of salt. Mix it, mix it, mix it. We add it inside. Then we mix. We mix, we mix, we mix. A little bit of some cheese inside. And mix. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add our mixture in here. Just gonna put a little bit of oil. And just a little bit of oil inside the mixture. I know there's oil already from the chicken, but like, this is how it looks like. So we are done, and here is our final product. So let me have the first piece. How am I gonna cut this? Squares. I was thinking of triangles to make it look like pizza. So this was the final product. As you can see, I added some tomatoes on the top and then some more cheese, please.